Why are these welders pouring sand on molten metal? That's not regular sand. It's part of a process called submerged arc welding. Here's how it works. The arc that melts the metal is completely hidden under a layer of special flux powder. This flux acts like a shield, protecting the weld from air, trapping heat, and preventing dangerous sparks and smoke. The result? A cleaner, stronger weld that looks almost perfect straight out of the process. It's how heavy industries join massive steel parts, quietly, efficiently, and without the blinding light you'd expect from welding.